Hi and welcome to Simply Elegant. I am very excited because today Sonia is joining us in the kitchen.
Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really good moist chocolate cake with bunny butts on top for Easter.
For this recipe, you will need 1 3/4 cup of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla,
1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoons of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, cupcake liners, icing decorations.
We'll also need 1 cup of boiling water, and right now it is on our stove.
First, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients in 1 large bowl. Add the sugar to the flour, add the cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, the salt. Stir until all the ingredients are combined.
Now that we have our dry ingredients incorporated, it is time to add all of our wet ingredients together.
Add the vegetable oil, the cup of milk, the vanilla, and the 2 eggs. And just mix until it's all combined. Slowly add the boiling water. The dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. I like to do small batches of the dry ingredients and then wait until it combines with the wet ingredients before I add more dry. Now that it has finished mixing, you should have a nice thick batter that covers the spatula pretty evenly. And now we're going to put it at halfway up in our cupcake liners.
Now that these are filled, we are going to place them into a preheated 350-degree oven, and these will bake for about 22 to 25 minutes.
Right, so while the cupcakes are baking, we're going to make our buttercream frosting. We're going to need 3 cups of powdered sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to cream the butter first. Add the powdered sugar in batches so it can combine evenly. With the butter and sugar incorporated, we're going to add the milk. And wait for that to finish mixing. Then add the vanilla. This is an optional step, but you can also add salt so it counteracts the sweetness of the sugar. And you can add it to taste. Now that our frosting is done, we are finally ready to frost our cupcakes. Just gonna go from the outside in. And now we're gonna add the bunny tail to the top of the cupcake. And now we're adding the feet. And that's it. Pretty easy. Frosting parts are okay.
Now, Sonia is going to show us how to make the little chick cupcakes.
2 little blobs right on top of each other. And then we're gonna make the little eyes. Just like that. Now it's time for the beak and the feet. So for the beak, all you have to do is just start at the top and move your way down to make a little teardrop. For the feet, you're using the same technique, but you're doing it 3 times. Voila! You put your little 2 blobs for the chick. We're gonna put some grass around him.
Look at these awesome cupcakes. You can see the nice little feet, the beak, the eyes, the bunny tails, and its feet. A big thank you to Sonia for showing us how to make these beautiful cupcakes for Easter and for the spring.
It was my honor. Thank you for inviting me and having me on.
Not a problem. If you'd like to see Sonia on the show again, comment down below. And as always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant.